Do you want to post multiple photos to Instagram on a mobile device? I can show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
When I joined Instagram, you could not upload more than one photo at a time. Now you can. The first way to do it is to build a collage using a third-party app, like Layout for Instagram. To see how to use this app, check out the video on the YouTube card on screen now. Let's take a look at 3 examples. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third. The second way to post multiple photos in the same post is to use the Select Multiple option. As you can see with this post, there is 2 photos in the same post, and you swipe side to side to see them. The remainder of this video is going to focus on the Select Multiple option. When you tap the plus sign, the Select Multiple option is available. When you tap it, you have the ability to add up to 10 photos to the same Instagram post. Once it's selected, just select the photos in the order that you want to add them. Once you've selected your photos, tap Next to choose a filter or edit the photos. Remember, because you're adding multiple photos, any filters or edits that you choose to make will be applied to all of the photos in the post. Tap Next. Add a caption, tag people, and then choose whether you want to share the post on Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr. Turn the switches on for each social network. Tap Share. There's the post. To view all of the photos, just swipe back and forth. At the bottom of the screen, underneath the pictures, you'll see a number of dots. Each dot represents one photo. In my opinion, the main advantage of using this technique is that you do not have to crop the photos so that they fit into the layout options provided by the other apps.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below and I'll help you. Next, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.